What's up guys, you're watching another video. Before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that finally me and Emily started our own YouTube channel. We just posted our first video. It's a little Q&A. We answered some questions that you guys asked on Instagram. We've been wanting to make a couple channel. I know a lot of you guys have mentioned it in the comments to make a separate channel. So finally we made a little couple channel. We're gonna do some pranks, some vlogs, some challenges, a bunch of cool stuff. So if you guys support me, it would mean a lot to me if you go to the channel. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. Nick and Emily. It probably won't pop up on the YouTube search because it's such a brand new channel. But like I said, if you go down below, it's the first link in the description. Go watch the new video, go subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. It's something new. I want to try it, do a little couple channel, see how it goes. And it's just extra footage for you guys too. If I don't post a FindingNick vlog, there's probably gonna be a couple vlog on that channel. I'm also trying to do the gaming stuff too. So I'm trying to do a lot of stuff this year, guys. But like I said, if you guys could go watch that video right now, it would mean a lot to me. And then come back to this video and watch the rest of this. And like I said, it's an extra channel. So if you guys don't really want to see the couple stuff, continue watching the FindingNick stuff. But if you guys want to see some more extra footage, go to that channel right now. But let's get back into this video. All right guys, it's Hugo's first time seeing the Z. It's ugly? He said it's uglier in person than in the video.
It looks a lot more it looks like it needs a lot more work in person.
It looks like shit, huh?
The video, I feel like the video is like when you pass the car quick, it just makes it seem like it's alright. Okay, you just need headlights, the hood, and then that's it.
Would you pull up the car into this?
No. Would not pull up.
I mean, some people rock it like this though.
Well, whoever's rocking it like this, they tripping. Look at the windshield wiper.
I'm bringing it back to life, guys, slowly.
Yes.
But you can imagine it was even worse than this.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at this shit.
That's what I'm saying. Then the wheels.
It was worse, bro.
What wheels did it have?
Those welds? The welds are good.
Some crazy ass welds, huh?
There's like 5 different exhaust sizes. Look, they're small, big, medium.
He was just putting. That's why. Out. You need to put the other seat on.
So I'm like, Hugo, drive it. He's gonna react to how shitty this car is.
Alright, but I'm not turning it on.
You have to turn it on.
I'm not turning it on.
Bad, bro. Like the exhaust
and then
is on the floor.
I know, I just.
And the exhaust doesn't even sound good anymore. It sounded good for one day, but I already made a hole in the brand new exhaust.
Well, the fucking exhaust is touching the floor.
I know, I shouldn't have done it.
Guys, look. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it, but the exhaust is literally on the floor. So if you're driving it, of course, you're creating the hole on there.
What you should have done is put the coilovers on first, raise it up, then put the exhaust on.
You're working backwards, brother.
Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna go up the block around the circle. Hopefully, we don't get pulled over.
Don't say shit.
Cause I have an exhaust leak now again. Have you ever driven a Z?
No, I never driven a Z.
This is how we start this shit. Hugo's face. It's not gonna start. I went too far already. You might have to push me. Usually it works. I can start it on the slope. But it didn't work today.
Throw this car away, bro.
I know.
There's no way you're driving the car like that.
You're driving like that.
That's insane, bro.
You hear the exhaust? Bro, I think I already made a hole in the exhaust. All right, Hugo. You ready? Are you scared? The exhaust leak. There's really not much left to do, guys, honestly. Like, it's just the starter and just make it look nice and put the new coilovers on. But we're done. We have all the parts. We got new wheels, new coilovers, new exhaust, new wrap. We're almost done, bro.
It isn't even open. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, this whole car's a mess.
Oh, this window doesn't go down either.
Look, you're adding more and more to it. I couldn't open the door from the outside. Both doors don't open from the outside.
The windows don't work.
The windows don't work.
Nothing works, bro.
That's making a crazy sound.
Ready?
We'll try.
Can't even use the seatbelt.
Doesn't work, huh?
There's no thing. There's no seatbelt.
Alright.
Don't stop because we had to push it. Bro, it sounds horrible. I wish it sounded nice still. It sounded nice for like one day.
Bro, the car's too damn low.
I know, you'll see right now.
No way. Is that normal?
No.
No, but I'm saying like.
Yeah, it's fine. It's rubbing the tires. The wheels are too wide. Bro, it sounds horrible. Oh.
I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this clutch.
You know, it sounds horrible. Like the exhaust. That shit sounds bad, bro. It doesn't even sound like a fucking Z.
Yeah, it sounds. Yeah, bro, no way you're driving this car. I don't know why you took it. It happened when you took it to the gym, I bet you.
I shouldn't have took it that day. I should just left the car, raised it up, but it's all good.
Bro, I'm literally scared to drive it.
I know, it's fucking hot.
I feel like I'm gonna break
That's air
it.
conditioning.
Okay, Jay, I'll turn that shit on because it's hot.
I think.
I didn't want to turn on right now.
It does have air.
Bro, I'm not used to this clutch.
Bad?
No way, bro.
That's windshield wipers.
Not. There's no way, bro.
What?
There's no way.
Honest question, how much would you buy this car for?
Me, right now, I feel like the wheels is just what makes the car, honestly. I just pay for the wheels. How much
no
of the
way.
wheels are going for? That's how much I'll give it.
10 grand?
Hell no. You hear this?
But I did get a good deal, bro. Like, I really did. I know it looks like a piece of shit.
No way, bro. There's
It
no
sounds like a
way.
piece of shit, but
This car's breaking down.
it's not, bro. It runs good.
It does run good.
It just feels like a piece of shit. It is a piece of
It's
shit.
just all the little imperfections are.
But once you do all that, you honestly can flip this car for life. If I wanted to sell it, you cannot find an HR for under 10 right now. And I
That's
got this
true.
thing for under 10, you know what I'm trying to say? So
Fuck, bro, it's too low.
right now there's DEs going for like 14, bro.
Yeah, I know, I've seen that. You need to raise it up.
Well, sorry, we raised it up for the starter. Wrap it. It's gonna look beautiful with the new wheels. On the
Oh yeah,
wrap.
100%.
The wrap's gonna look like a brand new paint job, bro. It's
Yeah.
gonna be sick. Well, I wanna do this too.
Start like
Yeah, I wanna make this all black because I hate the tan.
both seats
I put that.
and then put all the carbon in here.
It's too much. Well, I want you to go fast so you can see the hood. That shit about to come out.
What?
If you go fast enough, the hood will start lifting up.
Bro, there's no way.
What?
Look at the hood.
I know that it's kind of sketch.
Bro, that shit's gonna fly up and smack us in the head.
Oh,
You can smell like the tires burn too.
I know. I think it's rubbing.
Yeah.
Okay, but it has potential.
No, the car has a lot of potential. It drives honestly really good. It's just all the little, of course, I would. Oh my god!
Alright, wait, stop here. Do it like a complete stop. Do a full one first.
I'm not gonna be able to.
Yeah, you could.
I go reverse.
Oh.
What the fuck is this, bro? I'm not driving this shit. No, bro. That was just horrible.
Oh, shit.
I can't.
What was going on?
Bro, what is up with the car? What's up with the car?
I don't know.
Nick, something broke.
No, it didn't. Don't say that.
Nick, something broke.
Okay, just make it home then.
I swear something broke.
No, we're good. We're good, bro. This is indestructible.
You hear that? Watch. Feel it. No, a little bit. You feel it?
Yeah, but it's fine. It works.
Bro, we just broke it more.
No, it didn't. It smells pretty bad in here.
The tires smoke and everything. Bro, I could not do nothing.
I know. This car is trash, bro.
I couldn't do
I'm
nothing.
telling
I
you.
tried to make it to second and then I missed it, but then I hit it in.
I know. I don't
But
get
then it just stays like, it just feels like it's right here like this. And you're over here like this. We broke the car, guys. And that's his fault. Breaking my friend's 350Z. Why would you take this car out?
I don't know, bro, because I'm impatient. And I want to drive it so
You
bad.
messed it up worse.
It's going to shoot the exhaust.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Bro, the exhaust just scrapes everywhere, dude.
Car is not drivable at all.
You think I make the present right now?
You're gonna have leaks everywhere, bro. Not just your exhaust. Your exhaust is gonna be off. It's gonna be off, and then
The bumper probably.
bumper fly off.
Oil fan.
Oil pan leaking. You're probably gonna make it with no oil. No, it looks nice
Look at
though. I see the potential inside, like the way it is. I like how this.
That's
is
why I
already.
bought it. Honestly, I bought it because that's another thing. A lot of 350Zs online, the interiors are fucked up. Like this shit's sagging and
Yeah.
this shit's fucked up.
No, like it's really.
It's not bad.
compact.
That's nice.
This is little minor stuff, you know, that you can fix. Like it looks crazy.
Once I paint all this, it's gonna look brand new.
Yeah, it already has the front bumper. Everything. Just fix the little details. wrap the car, and it's gonna look sick outside already because the wheels look fire. Guys, I'm camping that shit's ass.
All right, guys, we're gonna take the homie for a ride in the GTR. He's never been in a GTR. I think he said the fastest car he's been in was a Z06 or something like that. So GTR's a little faster. We'll see. Ready?
I fit. Look. See, I fit perfectly. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
He's up in the front squid.
I'm scared. I'm so. Is there a seatbelt? Oh my god, I'm so scared.
It's slow.
Nah, chill out.
They make it seem as freaking fast as hell.
That's what everybody says about my car, but I know this is double the horsepower I have, so. But this is all-wheel drive, so it's gonna be.
Yeah, that's the thing that feels. I think that's what makes it feel fast. Like the all-wheel drive, that shit just pulls you, bro. Like it's crazy.
Are you gonna warn us?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna let it warm just a little bit more. Got the. She had a fat tire on it. What's the problem? Is it ready or no? That's like rolling anti-lag, so I can build up the boost. You can do like a 50 roll to somebody, and you slam the gas, and then you push this, and then go. Crazy, huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That anti-lag shit is sick. It's fun.
It felt like the Superman or something, that Six Flags. God damn.
That shit's crazy.
You ever do a digger?
Yeah, but like they recommend not launching it too much because supposedly it's like bad for the transmission.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, so I try not doing it much, but I still do it. It's so fun, bro. Do you think it's faster than the vet?
Oh hell yeah. Bro, not even.
I'm telling you, bro, it's hard to drive this car normal. That's why I beat the crap out of everything.
Yeah, I would too.
Because it's just so fun, bro. Like Godzilla mode. And I'll start shooting flames.
My hair is a mess.
Logan said it's slow, bro.
I said it's a little slow.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.